I'm going to show you how to get your Binance wallet address. So the first thing you'll need to do is open up the Binance app, and then from the top here you want to switch to the wallet tab. Just click on it and it should switch you to your wallet. Now all you need to do is press the receive button here, and then you want to choose receive tokens via address. Now you want to select the crypto and the network. So for example, if I want to receive Bitcoin, I can click on Bitcoin here. And then you want to select the address type. So I'm going to choose Taproot. And this should give you a Taproot address, permanent one that you can use for Bitcoin transactions. You can always switch the address type by clicking on these double arrows here and switch from Taproot to SegWit or vice versa. And now all you need to do is press the copy button to copy the address to your clipboard. Now this address is fixed and usually doesn't change, so you can share it and use it elsewhere. And the second way to do it is basically go back to the home page for the exchange tab. Now this time you want to click on add funds and then click on on-chain deposit, and then you can choose the crypto, for example, Ethereum. Now you want to choose the network. So I'm going to choose the Ethereum network, and this should generate an address for you. Now you can simply copy the address like that to clipboard and start using it. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.